Hi, Claire here. I just want to tell you a couple of things before you start the Chemistry Comeback Challenge, a little bit about how it works. The challenge is not about going through every single topic. Obviously, that is important, but really what it's about is getting you actively doing revision activities and doing them regularly, but to get you to a really good start for your year 13. So it might be that you do the multiple choice quiz and you think, oh crap, I don't remember any of this. And it might get you a bit down. But it's better to know what you don't know and to know what misconceptions you have now. You don't want to be waiting until you've got a mock exam in that, right? So that's the basis of this. You can't avoid year 13. You can't be putting it off now. So the idea is to just jump in and see what you know. And then you can make a list after each day of questions you have. So anything you want to know that you don't understand, you can send them through to the Q&A on Saturday. I might not be able to get through everything, so also make a note to ask your teachers in school or college. You can then make a note of just things you need to revise, right? So definitions, particular equations, organic mechanisms, that kind of thing. And then set yourself a time over the next few weeks. So the challenge ends on Saturday, 6th of September. But of course, that's when the real work begins for year 13. So you can make yourself a little list of things that you need to do. Logistically, everything should be online on the website. Each day, the materials will appear. So if you start it on day one, like you're meant to on the 1st of September, you should only see the activities for day one. I would rather do it like that. I don't want people trying to rush ahead. If you join late, the previous day's activities will be there though, so you can try to catch up if you want to. Alternatively, if you're really pushed for time, it's meant to take about an hour each day. It might take a little bit longer. If you're really pushed for time, then maybe just focus on doing the quizzes and the exam questions and leave the other ones to come back to. That would be my best advice for how to approach it. That's about it, really. At any point, if there's a question, if there's something not working, just send me an email, claire@ckchemistry.co.uk. Otherwise, I will see you in the Saturday Q&A.